Welcome to week 1 of our AI learning journey. We'll delve into the basics of artificial intelligence, its history, and its wide-ranging applications. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. It involves learning, reasoning, and self-correction. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries such as healthcare, finance, and transportation, making processes more efficient and improving decision-making. The concept of AI dates back to the 1950s, but it wasn't until recent years that we've seen significant advancements in the field, thanks to improvements in computing power and the availability of large datasets. There are two main types of AI: narrow AI, which is designed for a specific task, and general AI, which can learn and perform any intellectual task that a human can. Machine learning is a subset of AI that enables machines to learn from data, while deep learning is a specialized form of machine learning that mimics the way the human brain processes information. As AI becomes more prevalent in our lives, it raises important ethical questions. These include issues related to bias in AI algorithms, privacy concerns, and the impact of AI on jobs and the economy. It's crucial for us to consider these implications as AI continues to evolve. That concludes week 1 of our AI learning journey. Next week, we'll explore machine learning in more detail. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI content.